I would like to welcome you all to watch this video. In this video, we are going to learn about our climate. The sixth lesson in social studies for ICC, we are going to learn about our climate. The clothes we wear and the food we eat depend largely on the climate of the place where we live. Do you know that climate is different from weather? Weather and climate. Weather is the day-to-day conditions of the air at a particular place. In Chennai, it was raining today morning 5 o'clock. By 6:30, the bright sunlight came. So, weather is a day-to-day conditions of the air at a particular place. It may change within a day or within an hour and within a minute. Okay, so weather is a day-to-day conditions of the air at a particular place. It can be described as sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, or foggy. On the other hand, the climate of a place is a pattern of weather conditions over a very long period of time for about 35 to 40 years. The landform of an area influences its climate. Temperature and rainfall are the two important elements that affect climate. So, what are the two important elements that affect climate? Temperature and rainfall. Let us see the seasons in India. In India, temperature and rainfall vary. That means differ from season to season and from place to place. Some places are hot while others are cold. In summer season, we'll get so hot here in Chennai, but in hilly areas, you will feel cold. Some places get very heavy rainfall. In North India, now it's flooded everywhere, but here no rain. While others do not get any rain for years. Some places get floods while others are hit by droughts. Droughts means very little rainfall and sometimes no rainfall at all. So in India, variations in temperature, rainfall and monsoon winds result in three main seasons. The main seasons are winter, summer and monsoon. Here some children, see one boy is wearing scarf and woolen dress. So which is season? He is representing the winter season. And the girls, they are wearing cotton dresses. So they are in summer season. So the dress we wear, the food we eat, okay, it depends on our season. Now let us see the winter season. The winter season begins from the middle of November and continues till the end of February. And December and January months are very cold in most parts of India. The nights are longer than the days. See, during winter season, so soon the sunrise will set down, and morning by 6, after 6 only, you will get a sunrise. So the nights are longer than the days. Now, next point, strong winds from the west called western disturbance cause light rainfall in plains and snowfall in the northern mountains. The western disturbance are followed by very cold weather and fog. Fog means in Tamil we say moodupani. You cannot see the people little far away also, little closer also. You cannot see the things and the people around you during foggy weather. A major part of India remains dry during this season. The coast of Tamil Nadu is an exception. It gets heavy rainfall during this time. Now you can get more groundnuts, apples. You can get apples during winter season. Apples and leafy vegetables. Okay, winter is a season of roasted groundnuts and apples. Winter season you will get more apples and leafy vegetables. Next we'll see the summer season. The summer season begins from the beginning of March and continues till the end of June. It gets very hot in May and June. You like to drink cool drinks and tender coconut and buttermilk to keep your body heat, to maintain your body heat. You will drink some cool drinks, fresh juices, watermelons, and you will eat more curd rice during this summer season. Now the days are longer than the nights. During summer season the days are longer than the nights, and every part of India except the northern mountains experiences hot and dry weather. Okay, in every part of India, okay, except mountains, during summer season the mountain parts will be very cool, and we in Chennai we get so hot. If you go to hilly areas you feel cold and you feel you can enjoy the cool climate there. Then hot and dry winds called Lu. Lu means what? Hot and dry winds called Lu blow over many parts of North India. Many parts of North India. And we get, you can see the picture, during winter there is snowfall in northern mountains. Everywhere you can see the snowfalls, okay, on the trees, on the houses, on the streets. Everywhere you can see the snow falls. Everywhere you can see white color. And where in the right hand side you can see the people enjoying in the coastal area. Coastal areas experience the pleasant weather. And next the dust storms are common everywhere. Dust storms are common in India. The southern part of India, which is surrounded by sea on three sides, is less hot. You would have learned the physical features of India. India is surrounded by all three sides water and one side mountain. So the southern part of India, which is surrounded by sea on three sides, is less hot. The cool breeze from the sea keeps the coastal areas cool. Okay, daytime it will be so hot, and during evening you'll get a cool breeze from the sea. Some areas get heavy rainfall towards the end of summer. Next point, what fruit we'll get during summer? Yes, mangoes. Summer is a season of mangoes, fleshy, tasty mangoes you'll get. and I like to eat mangoes. I love to eat mangoes, and don't miss the seasonal fruits. And monsoon. The monsoon season starts in June. Monsoon means rainy season starts from June, and in some parts it begins in July. The season continues till the middle of November, and winds blow from the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal towards the land, and they are called monsoon winds, and they carry a lot of moisture. Okay, moisture means what? Eerapadam. Okay, they carry a lot of moisture. They cause rainfall in most part of India. Rainfall distribution is highly uneven. Parts of Meghalaya receive about 800 centimeters of annual rainfall, while some areas in Rajasthan receive less than 10 centimeters of rain in a year. So, a desert part, Rajasthan is a desert part, receive less than 10 centimeters of rain in a year. The coast of Tamil Nadu remains dry from June to September. Here it rains between November and January. So in Tamil Nadu we get rain from November to January. Okay, during rainy season in Chennai we get flood also, isn't it? And plums, peaches and cherries are available during this season. So don't miss the seasonal fruits. Okay, plums, peaches and cherries are available during this season, winter season. See here, and here it is near Cherrapunji in Meghalaya. Is the best place on the earth. It received more than 1100 centimeters of rainfall in a year. Heavy rainfall. People are with umbrellas, raincoat. People are moving with a raincoat. So the Meghalaya people will enjoy more rain. Okay, so go through this lesson, learn more about the seasons in India. Thank you, children, and try to find the answer at the back of your book exercise and go through the lessons. Thank you, children. We'll see you in the next video.